I was 19 when I came to town. They called it the summer of love. They were burning babies and burning flags, the Hawks against the Doves. And I took a job in the steamy down in Cauldron Street, and I fell in love with the factory girl who was standing next to me. She was a rare thing, fine as a beeswing, so fine a breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild, and she said, as long as there's no price on love, I'll stay. And you wouldn't want me any other way. Brown hair zigzagged around her face, and a look of half surprise, like a fox caught in the headlights. There was animal in her eyes. She said, "You man, no, can't you see, I'm not the factory kind. If you don't take me out of here, I'll surely lose my mind." And she was a rare thing, fine as a beeswing, so fine that I might crush her where she lay. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay. And you wouldn't want me any other way. We busked around the market towns and picked hops down in Kent, and we could tinker lamps and pots and knives wherever we went. And I said that we might settle down and get a few acres dug, fire burning in the hearth and babies on the run. She said, "Oh man, you foolish man, that surely sounds like hell. You might be lord of all the world, but you don't know me as well." She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine a breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay. And you wouldn't want me any other way. We were camping down the Gower one time, and the work was pretty good. She thought we shouldn't stay for frost, and I thought maybe we should. We were drinking more in those days, and tempers reached a pitch, and like a fool I let her roll with that rambling day. Oh, the last I heard, she was sleeping rough back on that Derby beat, white horse in her back pocket and the wolfhound at her feet. And they say she even married once to a man called Romany Brown, but I guess that gypsy caravans too much like settling down. And they say her flower has faded now, hard weather and hard booze, but I guess that's just the price you pay for the change of views. Oh, she was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, and I miss her more than words would ever say. If I could just taste all of her wildness now, if I could hold her in my hands for just one day, and I wouldn't want her